Gotta spread them out a little bit. Spread them and then they'll be good. Said spread them. You must spread them.
What?
No, I'm not you. Oh.
God damn.
They're pins.
Right, that was pretty good.
Ooh, see, you got me burping and shit too. Come on.
Say no word?
What the huh?
Stop. Dude, it doesn't say that enough.
What the pajibble jangles? What's going on? There we go.
We had like a bunch of like EDFs like impaling each other. Like.
Oh.
Someone posted a meme. This is how jets are made at the factory.
Oh wow. Hey, they don't sound buzzy.
Mine doesn't. Nate's is
Mine's good.
This is all right.
For not adding any weight to it.
I'm gonna go.
Hold on, Keon, wait.
Everybody together. Come on now. Hot together now. No, it's okay. Say what you want.
Take it off.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Mucho mejor. Hopefully I've made it pretty tight, so it should be good.
What the fuck was that? Oh, okay, buddy.
Come on, Huey and Dewey. Sound good, guys. That sounds way better. The person on the outside's always got to go faster. There you go.
Alright, get low.
You're good. It's going. That's pretty quick, guys.
Dude, they both sound amazing.
They do. Sound good. Yep. You going downwind again, Nate? I mean, Keon. Keon's going downwind. Ooh, that sounds good. It's faster too, yeah.
No. Alright, go slow, Keon, so I can catch up.
Woo! There you go. Who's going to be high and who's going to be low?
You go high, Keon. I'll go low.
Yeah, that stuff's cool. If you guys can plan stuff like that, that'll be good for the show. Because there's got to be something going on in front the whole time. So if somebody's, you know, the crossing is really good. Formation's boring. What size battery?
We got 6,000.
Oh, you're good. Now, Nate, you come on. Pass from the left to the right. There you go. See, that's perfect right there. Doing stuff spaced like that, it's perfect. Yep, perfect, just like that. Now somebody else come the other way, and that's exactly what we need.
I gotta land.
Yeah. Landing together would be really good too, by the way.
Yeah, I'll stay closest to us.
So, will you stay further?
Try to hold the wheelie too, Keon. No,
go. Very nice, guys.
Oh yeah.
Oh, dude, if you waggle the rudder, you can Alright.
Very cool.
I think I'm sold on this jet.
That was good, guys.
Can we make one more Havoc? Can we make another Havoc?
No. I'll watch you guys. I'll fly one, sure, but I don't want one.
No, I'm saying if you
No, dude, yeah, we can make one.
help.
There you go, Ray.
Oh. Ah! Ooh! Ah!
No.
I know, we're trying to, dude.
Here, put this again so I can end the video.
I think I have one Havoc.
I'll end
Now
it.
Ray's
I'll
getting
end
his thumbnail.
my thumbnail for the video.